Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your subtitles in CrunchyRoll. There are two ways. First, click your profile at the bottom right. Scroll down and click on subtitles. If it's on none, put your preferred subtitle. If you're still having an issue, you have to close your application entirely and proceed to find your phone settings. In this list, you're going to scroll down until you find applications or apps. Further scroll down in this list, select CrunchyRoll. Select Storage, Clear Cache, and you shall be good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.